Well, I'll tell you, we don't get too many carryovers, and this one is super nice, and it is a 2025 343 bunk beds, 3 slides, 2 air conditioners, solar. You see the spare tire up underneath, auto level. We're going to put 2 propane tanks on there that are full, a brand new battery. The front end of this lights up. This is all glows white. It's got storage underneath. Pretty sweet. Let me unlock that. So the outside storage right there, power jacks, and like I said, so you get power stabilizer jacks, which are part of the auto level. You push a button, it does it all on its own. 12 volt shut off switch. I'm going to show you the outside kitchen flip up steps, huge outside railing, tankless water heater. Like I said, 200 watt solar on the roof. It's got JBL audio, so we got JBL audio speakers inside and out. Nice size fridge, storage, and all of these are solid wood underneath. So I'll show you a piece in a minute of the cutaway. You got a running water sink in here, plug, a top puller. This pulls out and you got a flat top griddle. More storage under each of these. Boy, I'll tell you, what a camper. There's a lot. You got a leash latch there. You even got a little rack in the back. This isn't a destination trailer, even though it's pretty long. It is just a regular travel trailer, so it's made solid. Backup camera ready, ladder ready in the back. Like I say, it's got 3 slide outs. There's a little bit more storage on this side. It is rack and pinion slide out system, so it's about the best slide system you're gonna get. It's the longest lasting, been around the longest, easiest to adjust if it does need anything. More storage under this side. Wow, there's the propane cover. I leave it inside here so it doesn't blow away, but once the tanks are on there, you're good to go. All right, so walking inside here, fireplace, nice huge spot for a TV. Walk around bed. Yes, it's a queen bed. You got storage there, chargers on the side, shelves for your stuff, huge storage in here for all your clothes and whatnot. It's even washer dryer prepped. Probably saw that in the pictures. Plug down there, thermostat for in here. You got the air conditioner with heat pump. 2-year warranty on all the GE profile products. It's got a light dimmer, all heated and closed underbelly. It's electric high back recliners. That is hard to find. Coachmen does it. There's the JBL audio system, another plug-in. There's plugs everywhere. You got storage underneath the dinette that does make into a bed. All around windows. Big 10.7 cubic foot 12 volt fridge. Microwave, all stainless steel appliances. All these GE profile ones, like I said, 2-year warranty. Something happens to it in the 2 years and they got to replace it, you got another 2 years on top of it after that. Another pantry with lots of storage in it. The bathroom, neo angle shower, skylight, fan, working medicine cabinet. So many of these just have a mirror on the wall. Sink inside the bathroom, foot flush toilet. It's plenty roomy. Walking back to the bunk room, I got it in bed mode. You can put this up into couch mode and then fold this bunk up out of the way so kids can sit there. Actually, I could probably fit there too. You got lights and chargers everywhere. More plugs, storage. The ladder to get up on top of this is a really wide bunk. I'll try to show you. It's wider than most. Lights, ducted air conditioning back into here, ducted heat all the way through, ducted heat and plugs. More storage underneath the sink. Glass washer. Man, I'll tell you what a steal. And we got this marked down to $39,997 right now. Normally $42,000. Come make yourself a deal on a carryover, Coachmen Catalina. And I promise you that piece of wood. I'm going to show you that real quick. Hopefully you stayed tuned. If you did, I always carry a chunk of the cabinet wood with me so I can show folks the difference in a Coachmen. It's not full particle board all the way through. You see right there, it's solid wood with just a little bit of particle board. So what does that mean? It means the screws, the hinges, they're going to hold a lot better than they would if they were just in all particle board. So, and then they use particle board on the outside because it's porous, and then the paper skin sticks to it better. So best of both worlds. So there you go. Hopefully you stayed tuned for that. Come get yourself one sweet carryover. Those are comfortable. Thank you.